All right, guys. So right here, I am going to speak about another trade that I just closed on Friday, so yesterday. And this is going to be on NRG, as we can see right up here, NRG Energy. This is a very, very interesting trade. Later on in this video, we are also going to calculate the profit on this trade percentage-wise to see how well we are performing. But as you guys can see right here on the screenshot, I have closed the trade on NRG and I realized $170 in profit within 3 days on a $105 strike price. So this is going to be $10,500 in capital that were required, and I made $170 in profit on this. So NRG reported its earnings this week, and their stock price dropped massively because the interest rates are higher and therefore their profit became smaller because they have to pay more interest on their loans, which is affecting their profit margin. But I believe that this is only a short term to mid term problem because at the end of the day, NRG is a critical infrastructure player for the whole AI industry. And as you guys know, I like to invest behind the scenes of the whole AI topic. I don't like to chase the hype on SanDisk or something like this. I like to invest my money behind the scenes in a more safer way. And as we can see right here, energy dropped all the way from $140 to $116 on the day when they reported their earnings. So this was a massive drop in their share price. We can see right here if we take out the measurement. So the stock basically dropped 15% in one single day, which was a huge drop in one day. So I decided to sell that cash secured put on the 4th of August at $105 strike price, so all the way down here. So still a lot of room for the stock to come down before I would eventually end up being assigned. You guys can see I marked the support level right here that I see. So this would be support level number 1, right here support level number 2. So I still had some room that the stock can come down. I originally collected $300 in premium, but we can see that just a few days later, the stock came up again. So we can see that after that big drop, the stock came up also intraday. So maybe on these days right here, it closed red, meaning it closed below the price from the previous day. But intraday, the stock was trading higher, as we can see here. It was trading at nearly $125 intraday. And I used these opportunities to just buy back my cash secured put, not because I didn't believe in NRG or I didn't believe in this trade. I totally believe in this company and in this trade. But when I get the opportunity to close a trade with 50 to 60 or nearly 70% of the maximum profit, which is going to be the premium, if I get the chance to close that trade after 3 days only, I'm going to take the risk out of this trade and I'm going to realize a profit and deploy my capital elsewhere. So let's jump right here on the calculator. We have to see that I first collected $300 in premium and I bought back that cash secured put for $130, which is going to be $170 in profit. And this profit I made within 3 days. So if we calculate $170 and divide that by $10,500, which is going to be the capital required for this trade, I made 1.6% return within 3 days, guys. Not 1 month, not half a year. Within 3 days, I made 1.6% return on my capital on this trade. We can multiply this times 100. You guys will see it more clear. 1.61%. So let's divide that by 3 days, as I made this in 3 days. And we're going to multiply that times 30. So we have the percent in 1 month. So this trade leaves me with a monthly return of 16.2% in one single month. And I literally have community members inside my community, the premium cycle, who also participated on this trade, who even shared a nice comment in our group that they are very happy about this trade. You guys can check out my whole YouTube channel. This is not just one trade where I just got lucky and I'm sharing it with you guys. I am producing trades like this and finding setups like this over and over again. This trade right here is definitely an outstanding one with 16.2% return in 1 month. If we multiply that times 12 for 1 year, we are speaking about nearly a 200% return on your capital within 1 year, which is outrageous, guys. We are speaking about the S&P 500 is making on average between 8 to 10% return in 1 year. We made nearly 200% return in 1 year with this strategy right here. And I'm only applying this on conservative stocks, as you guys can see right here. So I'm not chasing any hype or any high IV stocks. So if you guys are interested in this, if you want to see more proof, check out my YouTube channel where you can see more results like this one. And if you feel ready to start trading the premium cycle, click the link in my bio, join my community. I will see you guys there.